My name is Jason Sponzilli, and I'm the Vice President and COO of Sponzilli Landscape Group here in Fairfield, New Jersey. For over 15 years, we've been doing outdoor lighting, and we've been successful at doing that. With the opportunity of getting involved in the Lighthouse family, it opened up new doors to us. And at the same time, also is allowing us to work with other professionals in the industry, whether they're landscape architects or interior designers, or developers and builders, people that certainly need outdoor lighting today. And if they're going to look for a company that has a national name, which Lighthouse offers.
Hi, my name is Chris Blake. I live in Morristown, New Jersey. When we were looking for somebody to help us out to do the outdoor lighting and to do the outdoor landscaping, Jason was one of a couple people we looked at. And first off, he was by far the most organized. Whether it was examples of work they've done with the past, whether it was the prep questions that he asked prior to doing the work, when they came and met with us the very first time, we just didn't see anywhere close to that level of organization from anybody else with that level of complete thought, which was a big differentiator for us.
My name is Mike Sapienza. I live in Fairfield, New Jersey. I didn't really know how important lighting was till I saw it done. So Jay was, he was a professional. He came to me and let me know exactly what it could do and how it could bring something to life. And to be honest with you, I trusted him on it. And afterwards, it was really remarkable. I have done probably about 7 or 8 projects of construction and so forth over the last couple of years. And I've never seen a company finish when they say they were going to finish. They had a time frame, I mean, to the day they were in and out. It was really remarkable for the size of the job that they had to do. They really have their protocols figured out because they knew exactly when to get in, when to get out. Every worker was professional, courteous. Everyone said hi to you when you were walking past them. Again, their training must be second to none because it really did show a difference on how professional their company really is.
I cannot think of a day that they did not show up on time, did not complete X weather, what they say they were going to complete. And in fact, we had a couple of other contractors that were on site doing other work with the house, and they would end up cleaning up part of their work. So yeah, it was everything that we would have expected, and then some.
Something that, again, that we stand behind, and our motto is to stand apart. They want to make sure that they have an exceptional experience, that the level of communication is top notch, that we stand behind everything that we put in for this client and everything that we design to the utmost because our reputation is so paramount in what we do and what we've developed over all these years. And we look for an ideal client, a client that truly understands the value.
The first night that we came home and the lights came on, we were just taken back. It really did create a setting that was much better than we had ever even thought. And we had our pretty high expectations.
That wow factor that we're able to present to a home or to any property for that person, that individual, that family to come home to and see, it really gives us a lot of pleasure in seeing that effect that you normally wouldn't see at night.
Again, we didn't know what to expect with the lighting. And as that sun started to go down and we see these lights, and Jay was really passionate about what he wanted to do. It wasn't just we're going to put a light here and a light there, but we're going to put that blue tint light over the blue spruce and the red tint light over the red plant and make it all come to life. And it really did. When that sun went down, the darker it got, just the cooler the backyard looked, to the point where it looks like it's actually a resort, which is it's remarkable.
Should you decide to hire Lighthouse of North Jersey for one of your outdoor lighting projects, we feel that we provide a stand-apart experience to our clients, which certainly means that we try to go above and beyond in every approach to make sure that the client's expectations are met and exceeded to the highest level.
The amount of preparation and work that they show you up front is only the tip of the iceberg of what they provide on the back end. And so I don't know, honestly, if you're going to find anybody cheaper or more expensive. These guys do, from the level of work, professionalism, every single aspect of it, adapting to our needs. It's important to look at the picture from a holistic perspective. And the one thing that you know is you're going to get support on the back end.
I'm sure there's plenty of companies out there you can choose from. For me, again, it was the relationship-based factor. It was the passion he and his crew had for what they were doing. They almost treated their backyard as though it was their own, which for me went a long way.
There are little things that are unanticipated that need to be fixed post, either due to weather or something like that. They have fixed every single problem that's arisen, and not only fixed it within a day. I mean, it's just, you call them up and said, hey, this bulb of this light went out, they came and fixed it. So the backup work, which is, I think, as important as the front work, has been fantastic.
If you want the wow factor, if you want something that really stands out, where people, the jaws drop when they come to the backyard, if you want to stand apart, you hire Sponzilli.
A thoughtful and well-conceived lighting design will add warmth and elegance to your home like nothing else can. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today.